I'm working on the lower structure here now that'll support these this platform, and I'll just show you kind of what I'm doing. Um, so a piece like this, what I had to do was essentially a lot of different angles in it. Router all the corners round because I want it. There's a radius in here and there's different angles, you can see that. So you want to router everything up, scribe it so that it'll fit tight against your surfaces like that. So it does take a long time and there's a lot of different cuts, but I think it's worth it to have a better quality job. Same thing with this piece here. That radius all the corners, scribe the angles. I cut out the center piece here just to so I still have access through here afterwards. I'll probably hang a little piece of carpet or curtain or something there. But yeah, that's where I'm at, and right now I'll just keep going.